It's lunchtime. I'm gonna make my favorite sandwich baked grinder, which they call them on the East Coast. Only it's gonna be open faced with ham and cheese, similar to what I made before because I like it and I eat it a lot. So I got my last little piece of baguette here, and ham and cheese, Hillshire Farms cheese. Safeway industrial size cheese here, cheddar, and I'm gonna make some cheese filings. Let's break this baguette down here first a little bit, right in half, and I'm gonna pre-toast it. So I like to get it a little crispy on the outside first before it goes in the oven. So run it through the toaster one time, and the cheese, family size sharp cheddar, which in Safeway parlance is more like mild cheddar. It's not really very sharp, but it melts good and it's cheesy. So make a lot of those filings. Might be enough. See? And then this lovely Hillshire Farms smoked ham, which I perfectly fine, and I like it because you get a little Tupperware-like container when you're done with it at the end. So I don't have too much left, but it'll be enough for a couple of halves of baked grinder sandwich. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 2 for each side. And my favorite all-purpose pizza pan from the garage sale for a quarter 25 years ago. Works just fine. And I'm going to put a little mustard on there. Anything else? No. That's it. Okay. That's my ding. Okay. So it just warmed and a little bit crisp on the outside. Mustard. And I'm going to put cheese both top and bottom. Extra cheesy, and it also acts like glue, so the ham doesn't slide right off. And then the ham slices right there. And then the ham gets kind of crispy and bacony on the outside. A little extra boost. And then a little more cheese on top. Could use more, but it's all right. A little you over there and you over there. Okay, and onto the tray. And into the oven for about 10 minutes. That's all she wrote. Yeah. Okay. It's been about 10 minutes. I hit it with the broiler right at the end. Make it crispy, cheesy on top. And there she blows. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Looking good, huh? Looks like lunch to me. Board. And let's see what it looks like. It's gonna be kind of almost too hot to eat. I may risk a bite for the sake of my art here, but ooh. Ooh. Looking good. Let's get that down onto a plate. There we go. Cheese melted underneath, mixed up with the mustard there for like a mustard cheese sauce. And here goes. Mmm. Mmm. Soft and crispy and cheesy, and that ham almost tastes like bacon. Really good. So that's lunch. I sliced up some Asian pears and real pears I picked off the tree at my sister's house. So I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this little bit of lunch here. That's lunch, all right. Mm-hmm.